Sweating my glasses so I can look over this paper for that.
Ooh, I think it's on the door. Let me go get it. Here, come up.
Not working. We have to take it out. See the clothes? They've been sitting wet, water drain out on the floor. We're mopping and we change it out. Good night, good night. It's nighttime. It's probably about 9:30. I've gotten some of the things out and then some I wash. And I kind of slightly divide them up, like what I'm taking and what's staying. What I'm taking with me, I'm going to put in a suitcase. What I'm keeping here, I'm going to try and put it in a box or a bucket. Some stuff on Alexandra bed to see the house empty. I want to see the closet empty. It seems like we're not going anywhere and we're going somewhere. But let me show you what the closet look like. Try and vlog as much as possible. Let's see, we shall see. So I'm going to go in the closet and kind of see what needed to be done. As I said, I kind of divided things up a bit. So let me take you in there. I wash these that are on the bed. These are some new clothes I purchased for Alexandra on Shein. I should show you them. They're so cute. These are some cute dresses. I got our two, but I have some sweatpants here and some other pants. I get her quite a good amount, but I'm going to get her some more things. And down there, I have a teddy coat in the bag also from Shein. So when we're traveling back and forth, because we're going to be in Chicago as well, not only Georgia. And here we are. These are the bed. Oh, here she has some more things on Shein. Some tops. These things that are on the bed for her, and those tops are for Jamaica. Let me take you in the closet. Here we are. Pillow, some throw pillow right there that I'm going to vacuum seal. But I'm taking from this white sheer top all the way, because I just pick out a few blazer to take with me. Thing here going in the bucket, and actually some more things over here. I have a bucket down here. I'm going to show you. This is where I will be storing things. It's gonna stay here. And yeah, and I have a suitcase here where I'm just going to dash random stuff that I like to take with me. But it's not gonna stay in the suitcase because it's going in a box. We're shipping a box. But in the meantime, I'm going to get them down so the closet can look empty and prepare. Do it 11, like I said.
11 to 11:30?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
A blazer for here.
That's what you're doing with the clothes.
Yep. Oh, I'm storing because it can't wear down there. This cardigan is too warm. I kind of want to take it, but it's really hot. I don't know. It's really hot. Okay, this dress is giveaway. So I'm not going to put any more in this bucket. Now for the suitcase, I'm going to put things in it that I am not using, but I'm taking with me. You never can tell.
Mommy,
Huh?
better.
I'm going to take. I don't want to have too much to pack on the last day, because some things, as I said, some of these things are going in the box, and some I'm taking with me in my suitcase, but most of my clothes are going in the box rather than suitcase, in case my suitcase get delayed where they can't find a suitcase. These are like for Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna put some of the things in this side and zip it in. Okay, this should be good. See, I get enough to hold in the suitcase, and I still have more up here. It's quite empty, and this is the bucket where I'm keeping these clothes. Few things here, and up top I am going to complete those. Not this. I'm going to give away this dress and probably those two and these pants, but I haven't gone through anything here. These are my pants, skirt, and all of that. Oh, I'm not sure. I think this can fit me. Too big. Maybe I can take it in when I'm in Jamaica. I think I'm going to take it with me and have it taken in. I really like the dress. This is it. This I'm storing, and I'm going to store these as well, and some at the back. Those on the chair I wear like every day. And so I'm going to go through these boxes with the shoes and go in. I think this was a promotion for a promotion. I need to do it. I need to do that promo. I haven't done it. And then the box. Not much, but I'm going to take them down tomorrow. To close out for the night, stay tuned, my loves.
I love your laptop.
What?
I love your laptop.
It's not my laptop.
Elisha. Did us. What are they doing? What are they doing, Elisha? Alive.
Everything in here is going to be empty soon. Look at this. Got this rug as well. I think I might take this with me and use it in Jamaica. Those are some curtains along with some throw blanket. I'm taking that with me, that, what do you call that? That side table. It's so small, can hold in the box. I'm taking this fireplace because when it breaks down, it's about 3 pieces. We're taking that TV with us. Oh.
This howling in this storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, having no thought right.
Say let it go.
Don't let them in, don't let them know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back.
Ooh.
Hey, boo your bird.
Move your best Fatima. You want me to fight? It's not me. It's Daniel. It's Daniel saying it.
I did tell her to say it. No.
Okay. Let's take a picture. Old style, come on.
Read
4, 5.
those are slightly overcooked cinnamon rolls.
Like cinnamon.
Slightly overcooked cinnamon rolls.
Oh,
Slightly.
slightly.
No, slightly. Let me see how I explain that. Just
This.
careful.
Yeah, right here. Oh.
You cook cinnamon rolls, then they cook cinnamon rolls. Then
Yes, sweetheart.
Right?
Yes, baby. That's fine. I'm watching Mandalorian.
Some, definitely. But I was thinking this one too big.
Gonna dry that out. So that's it.
okay. Mommy.
Yes, your father is sleeping. And get out the fridge. Alexandra.